Hello, welcome back to Feral Art, or welcome to Feral Art. How you doing? Okay. Well, my name is Kelly. If you're new here, I hope you'll stick around. Subscribe button, thumbs up, comments, yay! If you've already been here for a while, thanks so much for coming back. Today I'm going to try something just for funsies. I have this magnesium oil that supposedly if you put it on the bottom of your feet, it helps you sleep better. And I sleep like crap most of the time. So I thought I'd give it a shot. I don't know whether it works or not. It didn't make me sleep worse. I guess that's something. But anyway, I found when I was doing some cleaning, I found this little canvas that I had painted black, and I don't remember why I painted it black, so I'm just going to use it. So let's talk about colors. I have here some Amsterdam lamp black. These are all leftovers. I am playing with leftovers. I have some Chroma Curl white. I have some Lucas Krill cobalt blue hue. I have some artist acrylics, alizarin crimson hue, plus some golden something or other, plus some of the lamp black from Amsterdam. I don't know. This is TLP Enchantment. And oddly enough, I was out of 24 karat gold, so I had to mix up some new 24 karat gold. But that's okay. So with this, I put some of the magnesium oil just in this little container. So let's get down here and see what we're going to do with it. So I am going to, in this alizarin crimson hue mix of stuff and this cobalt blue hue, I got this little dropper. So I'm going to just suck some of this oil up in here, and I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 drops in each one. I'm not going to put it in all of my colors. I'm just going to put it in these two. Lord only knows what we'll get. All right, and white crap all over. There we go. I'm going to do a little grenade pour. Got my little cup already. So let's go ahead and put in, I'm just going to dirty pour, I think.
You tell me you're scared. You tell me you're weak. But I know you're stronger than what you think. And I know it's hard. It's rough, but we'll make it through, and I'll back you up.
Now, set that to the side for a sec. I'm going to put down some gold.
I'll follow you through the black and the blue. Whatever the mountain, we'll climb to the next. Honey, I'm with you through life and to death. You tell me
ta-da. We're just gonna let that sit for a minute.
Wish you could see that. I think you're brave.
That didn't do anything. Usually the cup lifts and the paint goes, and there we go. Woo.
If it all breaks, I'll still be here.
Little lipping action here.
We'll fix these mistakes. Wherever you're going,
And some flow extender.
I'm going to. I'll follow you through the black and the blue. Whatever the mountain, we'll climb to the next. Honey, I'm with you through life and to death. Wherever you're going, I'm going to. I'll follow you through the black and the blue. Whatever the mountain, we'll climb to the next. Honey, I'm with you through life and to death. Honey, I'm with you through life and to death. Close your eyes. Get some rest. I'm by your side. Lay your head on my chest. I know you've had a really bad day. But I'm right here, it's gonna be okay. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay. Calm your soul. Hold my hand. Don't let go. I understand. I know it hurts. It wasn't fair. It's over now, so don't despair. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay.
Kind of cool, I think. I don't know that the oil really did much, although there are some neat cells and some big cells and some little cells and all kinds of stuff, so maybe we'll see.
We're gonna be okay. The world could fall down, it's
bring you in for a close-up.
Okay, here are the wet results of my little grenade pour with magnesium oil in a couple of colors. It's pretty cool. I can see that there are some oil-made cells. Those right there, perfect example. So yeah, I put in quite a bit, but having never used this particular oil or any oil for a long time, I don't know. I think it was okay. But here's the biggies down here. These are cool. Very cool. I think it's neat. I did leave my paints on the thick side, so I knew that there wouldn't be as many cells. Oh, look at all those little enchantment cells. Those are so cute. You know, I knew there wouldn't be as many cells as if I thinned it out, but I wanted to keep my lines, which I did, as you can see. I don't know whether I'll ever do it again, but it was fun. And right now I'm just looking for a few laughs and a good time, you know? So yeah, pretty cool. That's neat right in there. I like that. Little blobbit. Anyway, I think it's pretty cool. What do you think? Do you think it's worth giving this stuff another shot? I don't know. It was just playtime, y'all. You know? So, let's go hunting for sparklies. You know we're gonna have some. There's some. Because of the gold and because of the enchantment. Ho, ho, ho. Yes, please. Look at that. Look at that enchantment in that black. Man, is that pretty. But yeah, and wowee. That enchantment is gorgeous and the gold is so pretty. I like when it overlays the black a little bit. I did keep my gold really thick, so it's not absolutely everywhere. But boy, oh boy, looky pretties. Oh, there we go. Indeed-a-rooney. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yes, please. I love this area right here. I was trying so hard to preserve it. And I had a little too much paint and this and that and the other thing. So, you know, it was a question. Was I going to be able to? Look at that. Yeah, buddy. Heck yeah. So pretty. Look, that enchantment over the black is just beguiling and bewitching. So pretty. Ah, yes, please. Pretty. I almost didn't put the white in. I'm really glad that I did. Look at those cells. They're so cute. That corner is really pretty. So, yeah, there we go. I will see you when it's dry. Here are the dry results of my experiment with the magnesium oil. It's amazing what you can do with what you find on your bedside table, you know. I think it turned out really cool. That is my favorite corner right there. I think those little enchantment cells are so cute. But as far as the oil goes, I only put it in the blue and the maroon. So I think that's probably what caused most of these cells was just, you know, colors getting up against it. And I think it turned out super cute. I love these little cells. They're so, so very cute. I imagine it was a combination of the chromacryl white too, because, you know, it's really reactive. But I think this is really cute. I'm not sure what it looks like or what it's supposed to be, but that looks like upside down lips right there. Anyway, pretty cool, very shimmery. Hard to tell out here. It's very windy. Gale has found me in Massachusetts. So, yep, there we go. Hey, before you go, be sure and hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you know when I'm making new content. Give me a thumbs up if you like anything in the world. And leave me a comment. I'll get back to you. I always enjoy talking to y'all and hearing what you have to say. So thanks a lot. Oh, and share with your friends. Ah, nice. So anyway, thanks so much for coming by. I sure do appreciate all of you, and I'll see you next time.